Welcome back to another video here on our channel. Today we are on our third hotel and we just want to give you a tour. Bearing in mind that we're going to be reviewing all the hotels in a different video. We're going to be explaining the pros and cons of each hotel and what we think of it. But for now, let's just come along, and this is the new home for how many days, Marcelo?
5.
For 5 days. So this is the hallway. You come in, you have here a broom. It comes with a broom. Look at that broom. It's actually very weird because it's not a card, it's this weird thing. The only thing I can tell you, on the next video you're going to see the facilities in this place. This place is massive. This place is massive, so maybe that's why they use that. So we're going to start from here. Here is the drawers. I haven't opened them and I don't really want to touch them. I haven't packed wipes. I haven't disinfected them. What's this? Oh, okay, serving mats. And these are just empty drawers by the looks of it. So there you go, empty drawers. And then you have here the wardrobe. Is this safe to open? Yeah, we can open. You got the hangers just like all the other ones. You have these blankets, which I'm sure these are very warm, but I'm not gonna lie, these were on our bed. I took it out because no, we're not doing that. It's very, very big. Look at that. And then you have these extra drawers here, and then you have a safe. Usually the safe you have to pay extra. I don't know about this hotel. They're not. We'll leave it for another review. You got the little lighting here. You have the phone. Oh, I didn't know that. 20 centimeters. Anyway, didn't see that. You got a little mirror right there, and you have a seating area. You have a storage shelving. You have another. Is it what they call it? Vanity. Right here, and the mirror and the TV. TV is very similar to the previous hotel. We'll leave it for the reviews. And yeah, and then when you come over this side, this is the bed. What are you doing? And when you come over this side, this is the bed, very big. I don't quite understand what these are, but we'll just leave it at that. I haven't disinfected it, so I haven't touched it. I'm not intending to either. And over here is the kitchen, just like the other ones. I don't have any clue where it is. Right, there you go. You got the pans, the pots, this has jars. I don't know what's in there. There's a kettle in there. Oh, I have to open it. Oh no, it's a toaster. It's a toaster. You have a fridge. I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this anyways. Fridge, freezer, it works. It's clean. They're not dirty, which I'm kind of like, oh, that's nice. I don't know. All of them have these little bowls. I don't know what it's for, but they provide like these little bowls for us, and you have like the draining thing, you have the dustpan. This is actually an oven, unlike the other one. I don't think the other one was an oven. There's an oven. You have the cooker with two. You have here the traditional kettle, and then you have the microwave, which the other one did not have a microwave. So this is basically it. This is the room, and then you have the balcony. Let's take you over to the balcony. Come over. This is the balcony. I don't know if you can see the elevator going down. Fancy. Yeah, anyways. This is an area. Let's leave it at that. It's an area. I don't know, maybe if you're eating outside, you put your food here and then you come over and set up your table, which I haven't sat down because I haven't disinfected it yet, and I'm not planning to actually sit here because I'm not gonna lie, let's leave it to the reviews. And then this one, unlike the other one, which had a beautiful view, but they didn't have actually this, what's this called again? Anyways, a place to hang your clothes. I had to bring my rope. I bought a rope, camping rope from Tesco, which I recommend you should go and get it, because you never know if you do not have something to hang your clothes. So it is very spacious. Don't know. You can run here, exercise, and yeah, this is the room tour. This is the room. Right here is the view of, this is the front, right? But if you're on the other side, you have the view of very, very, very massive garden with swimming pool. It's massive, so you have to stay tuned for the facilities. And you have the car park there and etc. And honestly speaking, the Albufeira shopping center is just like 5 minutes walk from here, so it's close to everything. The tour bus stops right there in front. So yeah, this location wise, this place is the one. So we'll leave the video at that. This is the room, nothing major, basic room, has all the essentials that you need for you and your family. And yeah, like I said, the review of each hotel will be on a separate video where we're going to be analyzing the pros and the cons of everything.
What's the name of the hotel?
Paraiso Hotel Apartment. Yeah, that's the, and I'm assuming it's hotel apartment because I do believe they sell the other side so people can live there, so they're actual residents here. But yeah, that's the name of the hotel. Thank you for reminding me. It is 4 stars. We'll talk about that if it's 4 stars. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and stay tuned for more gems, because there will be gems. And we will also be doing a video about the difficulties of traveling as a couple, because there are some difficulties in traveling as a couple, but you know, you learn over the years how to cope. But yeah, stay tuned, don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Until next video, bye. My nose is itchy. Bye bye.